Alright, today we are making lemon cream chicken, a new horizon. A half a cup of flour and a half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. So for our next step, after we have the flour mixture, we need to dip the chicken. Cook on each side on medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes. So also add in 4 tablespoons of butter. Flip at least 165 degrees, which it is. We are cooked. Get your chicken out. Alright, grab your broth and add it to the pan. So you have to boil it. After you boil, turn down the heat to simmer it for 10 minutes roughly to get 1/3 cup. Alright, add in the whipping cream, 3/4 cup. Add lemon juice as well and the mushrooms, couple more. Cook for 5 minutes to get your flavors in. For the next step, so we're ready, we are going to mix the remainder of the flour that we put aside, which is 1 tablespoon.
A 1/4 cup of cream.
It's been 5 minutes. Now we're going to add our remainder of our mix in. Alright, and then you mix that all in and you let it cook for 2 more minutes. We will re-add our chicken. Alright, we re-added our chicken. So we will reheat that a little bit. Alright, make sure your chicken is cooked again thoroughly. And enjoy. And there you have it.